Today we will be drawing an aquatic scene in Tux Paint. So for this we have already in my previous tutorial I have told you how you can download and install your Tux Paint. So let's just open a new. So I have clicked on new, it is loading, and here you will see all the starters. So we will take one blank starter and we will create an aquatic scene out of it. Let me pick this one and then I'll start coloring it. So first I'll use the magic tool, then I'll use fill with color, and I'll start coloring the shape. You can color anything that you like. If you want, you can just mix colors and you can create your own color and you can start coloring. For the sky, let me put this color, and for water, another variety of blue I need, so I'll just click it. I'll click it over here. And for the top portion of the sheep, let me take some color. Let me take this orange color and I'll just click it here. And whatever thin area we have, that we can make use of the uh, thin brush later on, and we can just uh, complete the picture. So I'll now take a brush, because it's very thin, I'll take a very thin brush and I'll just complete this line over here. This white line that is available here, I'm just clicking on this, and yes, this line we have drawn. Now we will go to your color magic tool and fill with color, and we'll color this mass over here. Little bit of blue is left out here, you can just click it, and then we can take yellow color, say, and color this portion yellow, and here and there we can put a little bit of green. So we are just putting here and there a little bit of green color, and whatever mass is left out, that we will also color it. So I'm just coloring it, and we'll take a brush, thin brush, and the area that is left out, you can just color it using your brush. It's very thin, so it cannot be done with your magic tool. Okay, now we will take this green color, we'll mix this color and we'll create a beautiful green color, and we'll color this using your magic tool only. And dark in we can take in between. Okay, now what else we need? We need some stamps. Okay, we'll go for stamps and we will pick the stamps from the animal section. Let us find picket. Yes, we have got one seagull over here. I can just place the seagull. It comes with a beautiful sound effect also. And then we have the fish. We can place anyone, anywhere we like. Let's have this two over here. And what else? We can take the sun. I think we can make it a sunny day. Let me just take the sun. Okay, I will just click it over here. You have a beautiful sun effect. And what else? Decoration, if you need, you can just pick from. Yes, let us put this woman over here. And she can always hold a flag. Let me just find out if I can get a flag somewhere. I think it's in the house section. We can get it from there. Let me just find out. Yes, we just need to scroll a little bit down, then we can get a flag for her and we'll just place it over here. Okay, so with this you can draw a beautiful